Alright, I think I'm going to make a pin out of some, what is that, 270 Winchester brass. I'm going to start off probably with this little mini cutoff saw and cutting it down. See if I can't get something figured out. Thank you very much. Okay guys, probably an hour's passed and I've been trying to cut down all kinds of brass so it'll fit perfectly inside this pin here. I ended up using a 30-30 and pressed it in here into the 270 case, and then I took a 30 cal blank and used it for a little trim piece here. And what I found was some old like foam double-sided adhesive, and that centers it up pretty good. And I think I'm gonna put it all together and see how it turns out. Thanks. Well guys, after fiddle farting with some double-sided tape, I got a fully functional writing pen made by a pen kit that my brother gave me. Thank you to Clinton Cash for this pen kit, and it works great. Alright, I hope to win the lathe. Thank you. Now I gotta put this little, figure out how to put this little clip on there, but I think I might take a picture when it's all done. Cool. Thank you very much. Alright, I put a 7mm drill bit. I deprimed it with the drill bit. I ran this bad boy down through it. Turned out pretty nice. I like it. I might make a few more of them. Cool. Alright, hope I win the lathe. Thank you. My name's Colin Cash, and it was fun.